Welcome to the Raynor Minute with Hawaii's garage door professionals. Raynor Hawaii has been serving Hawaii's homeowners for over 30 years.
Aloha, I'm Billy, a technician at Raynor Hawaii. Let's check out your garage door.
Your remote control may have 1, 2, or 3 buttons. One of them will open and close your garage door. Should your garage door safety sensor eye be obstructed, or if there is anything that can cause your door not to close, the remote will not close the door completely. This is a normal safety feature of your garage door system. If nothing is obstructing the door and you need to close it, you can override the sensor system by pushing and holding down the main button on the interior wall control. Sometimes, a remote may not work due to a low battery. To replace the battery, most remotes come with a removable visor clip. If you have an older remote, there may be a screw under the clip that has to be removed in order to open the back cover. To replace the battery in your remote, you will need to insert the visor clip or a flathead screwdriver into the spot as shown here. Twist it and the cover will pop open. Once you open the back cover, the battery will be clearly visible. You can purchase a replacement CR2032 disc battery at most retail stores or through Raynor Hawaii. Once you replace the battery, you can snap the cover back on. If a remote is worn, you will notice that the buttons do not have a firm clicking feel when you push on them, or your garage door might operate on its own without anyone pressing the buttons.
If your garage door system needs to be reprogrammed, consult your owner's manual or give us a call at 808-676-3667. We would be happy to reprogram your system as part of your full service maintenance and safety check.